Hello, Lady Doris here. Today I want to show you how I made that beautiful cap I'm wearing, and these are the materials I used. Materials I used during this trial is not things that are hard to get. Okay, so this is the ashoke I use. You can use any type of ashoke or any other type of material you want. So this is the measurement I use. This measurement is for the V-shaped band you saw on the cap. These two straps that I use for the V-shape, it extends down. I use it as handle, and these two straps 25 inches each. Then you fold it like this and sew it down. Another thing you are going to do is, after sewing it down, you go ahead and turn it inside out. And that is the next thing you are going to see on this video. I'm making this video for the two people that indicated interest for me to make this video when I posted the picture on my shorts. So two people requested for the video, and I'm going to show you their chats. One person sent me a message through my WhatsApp, and the other person also dropped it as a comment. So I'm just trying to urge you that if you see any picture I posted here on my tubes, you can go ahead and request for the tutorial. I don't collect money, I don't charge money for the tutorial. Is free, and unless I'm posting a training. The next step is the base for the cap. The base for the cap and the measurements. Anyway, I used just 24 inches. It's not going to be regular measurements, okay? So and the width is 13 inches. So this is how I turn it. And creating your V shape, you have to make sure that you are going to place the base exactly at the center where that V shape crossed. All right, so you nudge it like this and place it. This is what you will use to know the center of your base. Then you place it there at the center of the V shape. Then pin it down. Once you are done pinning it down, you go ahead and sew it down with your sewing machine. If you have come to the part of this training, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so that each time I post a video, you will be notified. I also want to thank you in a special way, you that have been my subscriber for so long now. Once you see my video, you come here to watch my video, you share my video, you drop like, you drop wonderful comments. I really appreciate you. I don't take you for granted. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And for you, my new people that just come across my channel for the first time, please do wait to subscribe. Thank you. Another very important step you are going to take when you are done sewing that thing down is also to sew this part down. You see this place that I fold now, sew it down too, and also sew the hands down. Sew it, and it's going to come out perfectly and also neat. This is the outcome, and it's very beautiful. You are going to keep your customers with you once your work is always neat like this. Some people used to sew this down, but I'm going to leave it. Some people also used to cut it out, but I'm going to leave it. Yes, I just want to leave it like this. Leaving it like that is going to create support for whatever you are going to place on top. Gather your work, and it's done. All right, so this is the two main lines. It's the double rows. I use this one to create the double rows, which is the main cocoa here. So the measurement is, you see that I measured 60 inches now, and I started adding, it's about maybe 8 inches or so. Yeah, 8 inches, making it 68 inches. All right, the two of them, the other one is 68 inches and the other one is 68 inches, which means 68 inches times 2. All right, so that's it. You can use 90 inches or any measurement you want. This part is how I join the two long lines together to make it one. So the first thing you are going to do is to fold this part down just on one of the long lines. Just fold it down like this. Fold it down, then pin it down with your pins, because you are going to sew it down later. Is to bring the second long line, that's the second 68 inches line, fold it like this and place it on top of the first 68 inches line. But first of all, if you are going to make just round rows, this is where you are going to start. Sew down and just gather like that and fold it. That's the first normal round rows, okay? But if you want it to have this double round rows like this is how you are going to do it. Fold it, place it on top of the first 68 inches long line, then sew it down with your sewing machine. This is the outcome. So you can see how I sew it. You see, I joined it together instead of making the roses separately and it will be kind of jumping up like that. You just sew it together like this, gather it with your needle and thread, and your rose is ready. So you are going to see how I made this particular one like this. I just use my needle and thread, gather it, and that's all. You are going to see how the rose just form like that on its own. Very beautiful something. It's not hard though, it's very simple. It's simple. So I'm going to fast forward all these other parts. I'm going to fast forward it to save our time. Okay, so meet you on the other side. Just like I said before, the video is self-explanatory. It's not hard though. It's very, very simple. It's not hard. So if you don't have a sewing machine to do this, maybe to sew it down also, you can use your needle and thread. It's very simple. You can use it to do it. Okay, so for you to form your rose, in order not for you to go ahead and use another applique or roses to cover it up, you are going to first of all make this particular, just this thing I'm doing now. You do it first, use it to cover the whole work, then you go ahead and sew it round to hold them together, and that's the whole mathematics there. All right, so it's done. This is it. This is the outcome. You go ahead and arrange your work. Use your hand and arrange it. Bring it up, bring it and set it just like that, and it's done. Okay, so the next step is attaching your rose on the base. Okay, you are going to attach it at the center. This center that you see me touch now, that's where you are going to attach it. First of all, if you want your rose to be up like this, off one side, you are going to go ahead, place it like this, sew it in the front and also sew it at the back here. Alright, with your needle and thread. That's it. So the next thing you are going to do is come to the center, place your rose, sew it down.
For what you do, your time means the world to me. It's true. See you.
If you are a beginner here, don't be afraid to start. Your little beginning. Everybody has a little beginning. You can start from anywhere. Don't be afraid. You have just this kind of zeal of making headwear. Just start from anywhere. You can go down to my videos. I have other wonderful tutorials. Click on the subscribe button here. Stay here with me. I'm going to be dropping wonderful, very good tutorials on beautiful headwear. Okay, so pick up your needle, pick up your thread, pick up your sewing machine. Maybe if you don't have a sewing machine yet, you can still be doing some little one with your needle and thread. Okay, so don't be discouraged. You can start from somewhere and you are going to head to the top. All right, so don't be discouraged. Another step you can take if you are a beginner is to learn the basics. All right, just learn the basics. Make sure you learn the basics, master the basics. Once you learn the basics, other styles you can just learn any other styles. And the basic is how to sew. All right, how to form it, like you see the cap here, how to make a cap. Once you know how to make it, you can still know how to do other ones, any other appliques that you can place on that cap, and it's good. You are good to go, and it's ready. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.